Chapter number 8, Introduction to various techniques and tools. In this video, we are going to discuss quality function deployment in detail. Quality function deployment is a method developed by Professor Dr. Mizuno in 1966 to help and transform the voice of customer, that is need of customer, into engineering characteristics for a product. Quality function deployment was first implemented in 1972 in Japan at Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, and later it was used by Dr. Cleving at United States. Quality function deployment is a structured approach to define customer needs or requirements and translating them into specific plans to produce product to meet those needs. The voice of customer, that is need of customer, VOC, is the term to describe the customer needs or requirements. Quality function deployment is a customer driven process for planning products and various services. Quality function deployment provides proper documentation for the decision making process in the organization. Quality function deployment helps to translate customer requirements into specific offering specifications. Understanding customers' requirement and maximizing positive quality that add value to the customer are the main objectives of quality function deployment. House of quality plays very important role in quality function deployment. House of quality is the most convenient and simple tool used to convert the customer needs, that is voice of customer, into technical descriptors. The structure shown in slide is called as house of quality due to its shape and structure. It contains point 1 to point 11 and it includes various blocks. Let us discuss these blocks. In first block, customer requirements, that is HOTS, are included. Means what is the customer's expectation is mentioned in this box number 1. Next block is competitive assessment. So block number 2 is the competitive assessment. In this, competitors assessment is mentioned. Third block is mentioned, its name is importance rating. How much importance is there as per as the customer's requirement is mentioned in this particular block. Fourth number block mentions engineering characteristics. What are the engineering characteristics as per as the customer requirements are concerned? Fifth number block, that is dome of house, mentions correlation matrix. Box number 6, its name is relationship matrix. So here relationship is mentioned between customers requirement and engineering characteristics. 7 number block includes absolute importance. 8 number block includes relative importance. 9th number block includes technical competitive assessments. 10th number block includes technical difficulty, and 11th number block includes target values. Let us discuss these 11 points of house of quality in detail. Let us start with customer requirements, that is OTS. Basically, these are the customer's requirement or voice of customer. What customer is expecting from producer is mentioned here. Next block is very important. It is called as competitive assessment. It shows how the top 2 or 3 competitors' products rank with respect to the customer requirements. This starts with ranking each customer requirements on a scale of 1 to 5, and then by considering planned improvement and any requirements that are planned for special attention. So its meaning is that what customer is expecting and what are the products available in market, similar products available in market. So its assessment is made here on the scale of 1 to 5. Next element of quality of house is engineering characteristics. It is also called as house. The engineering characteristics that enable satisfying the customer requirements are listed in this particular column. To meet the customer's requirement, engineering characteristics plays very important role. Next element of quality of house is correlation matrix, which shows the degree of interdependence of the engineering characteristics with each other in the roof of the house or dome of the house. Next element of quality of house is relationship matrix. It represents the correlation between the engineering characteristics and customer's requirement, that is voice of customer. Next element of house of quality is absolute importance. To determine the absolute importance, we need to multiply the numerical value in each of the cell of the relationship matrix, which is shown in above diagram at number 6, by the importance rating, that is third number box, and then sum the number in the cell of each column. Next element of house of quality is relative importance. Relative importance represents the absolute importance but normalized on a scale of 1 to 100. Next element of quality of house is technical competitive assessment. Technical competitive assessment refers to the benchmarking of the company performance against the top 2 or 3 competitors for each of the engineering characteristics. Next element of quality of house is technical difficulties. These depict the each or the extent of difficulty to achieve each engineering characteristics. And last element of quality of house is target values. This would depict the final target set based on the key engineering characteristics that are deemed importance and the assessment of the technical difficulty. There are many benefits of quality function deployment and house of quality. Quality function deployment is a systematic way of obtaining information and presenting this information properly. Quality function deployment enable shorter product development cycle. Quality function deployment considerably reduces the startup costs. Quality function deployment enable fewer engineering changes in final product. Quality function deployment reduces chances of overnight during design processes. Quality function deployment creates teamwork in a organization environment. Consensus decision, that is unanimous decision, is possible due to such a tools. In quality function deployment, everything is in written form, so everything is preserved in a writing. These are the various benefits of quality function deployment and its very important used tool named house of quality. Thank you very much.